Hi dear viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install Google Family Link on your child's Realme Narzo 50. So firstly you need to log out of all Google accounts on your child's device and log in into child's Google account. So open settings, scroll down, click users and accounts, click add account, Google. So firstly you need to connect to Wi-Fi. Cool. Now click here add account. I'm not connected. I'm connected. Okay. So click add account, Google, wait a while, enter child's email and enter child's password. But you need to know, if the child knows the password from Google Family Link, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know. So scroll down, click accept. Cool. Now go back to settings menu, click Google, then scroll down, click parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Choose the child's Google account here, and now you need to log in into your Google account, into parent Google account. So enter your email, then confirm your password and click next. Wait a while, scroll down, confirm child's password last time and click agree. Allow supervision, click next. Wait a while, scroll down, click next again, and cool, scroll down, click next, and cool. Now you can go back to the home screen, and now you need to log in. You need to install Google Family Link on your device. It can be Android or iOS device. So just install Family Link application on your device and log in into Google account. Click get started. Okay. Next. I want to use another Google account. So you need to log in into your account, into parent Google account that's linked to child's Google account. So in my case it's HardReset.Info 1. Enter your email, enter your password, click next. Cool. Here you will see all connected or all linked accounts to your parent account. This device is linked like HDUDB, so choose this account, and cool. As you can see, you have full control of the child's phone. Now we can block apps on child's phone. We can unlock apps on the child's phone. For example, how we can do it. So find here settings. No, wait a while. Activity, scheduled apps. Okay, click more here, and here we can block or unlock apps. For example, I want to unlock Gmail. How can I do it? So I need to click on Gmail account, then click always allow, click allow, wait a while, and as you can see, Gmail was successfully unlocked on the child's phone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you again.